been a couple weeks or a month, so it's time to check in on the garden. I still got tons of strawberries. Got like 100 salads out of this lettuce so far. Every day I'm getting a salad worth of lettuce. Mint's going crazy. Got a tomato coming up here. It's got flowers. Gonna start making fruit. Bunches of peppers. Peppers everywhere. Eggplant right here. Blueberries are growing a lot of leaves, but not a ton of berries. Something on there. Vanilla is growing really nice. Beautiful flowers. Grapes. Getting their leaves, getting ready. Asparagus. Cilantro. Aloe back there. Sad, but it's still alive. The experimental bed has got a touch of something growing here. I got a, looks like a pepper here, a pepper here. Here comes a tomato. Those are all from seeds that I took out of actual fruits last year. Some kind of flowers growing up here. Another eggplant back there. Another tomato here. Basil, basil. Bell peppers. Different kinds of bell peppers. They're just a bunch of bell peppers. And the habanero. Wasabi over here. It's growing pretty well. Maintaining its size. I broke a branch off of a grape, so I just stuck it in this planter, and then I keep this filled up with water. More cilantro on this side. The cherry trees. Look at all those cherries. There's so many cherries under there. Lots and lots of cherries growing. I get a good 50 or so. Rose plant down here. Some lettuce beside it. Some other stuff coming up from seeds. In here, got a grape. This is the one that the other piece of grape broke off of. Basil, some more mint. Got chamomile. A little basil. That one nearly died, but it managed to survive. And lettuce, just a flower. And then down here in the corner, some strawberries. Basil's over here. I took all these out of one plant and separated them out. I got 16 plants out of one little mini container for $1. This guy didn't make it, so I down to 15. Crap strawberries over here. This is supposed to be a blueberry, but don't see anything growing on the way of berries. Yeah, it's windy right here, but oh, here. There we go. There's some, looks like some berries will grow right there. This is a blueberry muffin blueberry plant. And another set of basil. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Mwah.